Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a colonial era item, a banknote belonging to the British India era. This banknote was issued in the year 1944. As you can see, Government of India is printed on it. The denomination of this banknote is rupee. It is a 1 rupee banknote. 1 rupee is mentioned in a text form and 1 is mentioned in a numerical manner in the center as well as in the top of the corners. The portrait which you see on the right is of King George VI. He was the last ruler of the British India Empire. The signatory is Mr. Charles Ernest Jones, the then Secretary of Finance Department. The serial number mentioned on this banknote is in black, a 6-digit serial number. The series is Z42. The number is 42J488. On the back of it, Government of India is printed, and in the center there is a language panel consisting of 7 Indian native languages. Starting from the top is Urdu, then Hindi, also known as Devanagari, then Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, and the last one is Gujarati. Here one is also mentioned in a numerical manner on the top of the corners and on the lower left, and 1 rupee is mentioned in a text form. And this is an image of a silver rupee coin dated 1940. On the right it is printed GRI and above it there is a crown. This banknote was issued during the King George VI era, the one who succeeded King George V. Thank you for watching it.